Okay, in this video I'm going to cover voltage change. Occasionally you guys want to change voltage after it gets there. Okay, the voltage on this particular motor, there is the schematics of what is. You got a high volt and a low volt. In this situation is 230 low, 460 high. Okay, and then you'll have to change your wires. You've got numbers on these wires. You have to match up the schematic up here with the numbers up here between line 1, line 2, and line 3. That all has to be done correctly, and then it needs to be wire nutted very tightly, and it needs to be, that thing needs to check, because loose wires produce heat, and heat will cause your motors to shut off. So you want to make sure that that joint is tight, twisted up with a pair of pliers, and then tightened up with a wire nut. Now, once you change the voltage on a motor, then it's not over. And this overload. See, this overload is what protects everything, and everything is based off of the amps. And again, if you have a overload in here that is set for 24 amp, like this motor would be on 230, and you see this overload set for 460, and then you don't change this overload, guess what? It's not going to work. So sometimes we even have to change the contactor. Sometimes the contactors, in this particular application, this contactor is designed to cover the 12 amp, 16 amps where it's covered, but it will not cover that 24, okay? So you have to change, in this case, the contactor and the overload out. So we have to, when you change the voltage, it's not just flipping a couple wires and I'm going to town. So you've got to do it, and it's got to be done consistently correct. Changing an overload out is our next video.